This is Lily in IT, and today we're going to discuss the free or low-cost tools that will help you to transition to product management, so stay tuned. Number one, how to rate your resume. There is an awesome video from Google where they explain step by step what should be in your resume and how should you highlight your achievements. So I highly recommend this video for everybody who would like to transition to product management. Number two, product management interview questions, and I would recommend the productmanagementexercises.com because there are lots and lots of questions there, and moreover, users leave their own answers there, so you can answer the question and then compare your answer with others and get some ideas, get different perspectives on how you can answer this particular question. So I highly recommend this resource to train yourself and don't show up on an interview unprepared. That's awful. Everybody noticed that. Train your answers, be prepared, follow the structure and make sure that your answer is short, well structured and straight to the point. Another awesome resource to get the product management interview questions, try exponent.com. I highly recommend this resource. You can find a lot of questions there, short tips about how to answer that. There are courses out there, but personally I didn't take that courses, so I cannot say whether it's good or not, so cannot recommend it. But I definitely highly recommend the questions there. They are structured based on the company where these questions are popular at. If you are done with product management interview questions, it means that you are ready for the next step, product management interview mocks. So in order to be prepared and have that structure, you need to practice, and mock interviews is the best way how you prepare yourself for the product management interview. And I would like to recommend two platforms for these purposes. The first one is Premp.com and the second is Stellar Peers. So there you can go there and find a partner to train the mock interviews. You can get the feedback from your partner, then you switch roles, and it is super useful because when you interviewing somebody, you see the mistakes they are making, and then you realize that, okay, so I do the same mistake. So this is my area for improvement for me. So this is super helpful. I highly recommend. And moreover, when you schedule the mock interview, you can specify that you are preparing for the particular company, and you can find a partner who is also trying to get in that company. So you will be doing the specific questions that are asked at that company. That's why I highly recommend these two resources, Premp and Stellar Peers, to prepare for your product management interviews. In parallel with mock interviews, I would highly recommend to go through YouTube and find product management interviews videos. It will help you to think in parallel with the person who answers the questions and evaluate yourself. How do you think about this problem and how fast do you come up with the answer in compare with that person? And it gives you a variety of answers, and you can see that different perspective that different people have. Another tool that is free is Google Sheets, and I would highly recommend to get a table where you store all your applications and current state. It will be easier for you to understand what's the funnel of your job search and to catch the moment where you need to pivot or update something. For example, if you apply for certain number of jobs and you didn't have any replies, It means that you need to tune your resume and try different approaches in your resume. If you don't get a lot of traction on the phone interview stage, it means that you need to work on that part. So that table will highlight your funnel, highlight the areas of improvements, and you will make your decisions based on data, not based on your, feelings. That were the free tools that I recommend for transitioning to product management, but there are like low cost tools that you can also use in order to prepare and walk through the interview process. And the first one, I would say I would recommend to take a course. It can be either free or low cost. You can use Coursera or Udemy, things like that, in order to prepare and refresh your knowledge regarding the product management theory, regarding the metrics. I highly recommend to revise your knowledge about metrics, because some of the questions will be regarding metrics, so you need to make sure that you remember all this theory, all that stuff. Another low-cost tool, I would say this is a book, Cracking the PM Interview. I highly recommend to buy this book and to highlight the most important information there. So it's not super expensive, it is affordable, but it has a lot of value there. So highly recommend this book. Reading before starting applying to your jobs, because it has a lot of valuable information regarding the interview process, regarding the frameworks, regarding the way how you will be evaluated during the interview process. A free tool that I highly recommend is LinkedIn. And I'm not only talking about like preparing your LinkedIn profile, I'm talking about networking. So join the product management groups, follow the product management leaders, because they share interesting articles, they share open positions, they share interesting insights from their companies and showing and demonstrating their company cultures, so you can understand whether it is a good option for you to join that particular company. So low cost or free tool is joining the local product management communities. So you can go to meetup.com, find product management communities in your area and join them. And typically it's free or low cost events, so you can go and network and ask questions about product management, about companies, whatever you want to. So it is super important for you. It will give you that product management context. It will give you the access to the product managers, to the insiders for the particular companies you are targeting. And also sometimes you hear things like, oh, we're going to open this product management and tri-level position soon. And you can say, oh wow, I'm looking for a job, so let's connect.